Hello everyone, welcome to Ni's Cooking Den. I hope you all enjoy my first video. Today I'll be cooking homestyle mushroom fried rice. I have been trying to eat healthy and so I've skipped adding sauces for this recipe. Ingredients: spring onion, green bell peppers, button mushrooms, onions, olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, green chili paste. Add olive oil. Make sure the oil is a little hot before adding the onions. Fry the onions well. Fry the onions till they look translucent. Fry. Once the onions start to turn golden, add the mushrooms. Add a little salt and fry the onions and the mushrooms really well. The mushrooms soon starts to release some moisture. Continue to fry till they turn golden brown. Now add the green bell peppers and continue to fry. Now add a little green chili paste for that spicy kick to the taste buds and continue to mix the ingredients really well. Once the onions look caramelized and the mushrooms turn golden and the green bell peppers look crunchy and well cooked, add the rice to the pan. Add the soy sauce and vinegar and mix really well. You can see the bottom of the pan getting darkened, but not to worry as I have used very little oil and also because I'm not using a non-stick pan or karhai. Now add the spring onions and lightly toss to combine. Add salt according to taste. Now fry the rice for 2 to 3 minutes. On adding the soy sauce and vinegar, the rice seems a little moist, but I'll continue to fry. This mushroom fried rice is easy peasy and super healthy. I will have the fried rice with my home-style chili paneer, but the healthier version. Looking forward to a long nap on a weekend afternoon post this scrumptious meal. I'll add more spring onions. There's something about spring onions. They elevate the taste of a dish to a whole new level. Wow, looks like my home-style mushroom fried rice is almost done. Do not forget to like, comment and share my video, and most importantly, subscribe my channel for the yummiest recipes. See you in my next video. Bye.